So, why you should or should not create walls in Age of Mythology Retold. Now, creating walls is very useful because it allows you to have a defense layer. But compared to other games, in Age of Mythology, the walls are not as strong. So I don't particularly like to have them because it gives me a sort of false sense of safety. Because really, if you arrive with a couple of machines like this here, you will destroy the wall in 2 seconds. And even if you have multiple walls, you will destroy them. One of the strategies that I prefer is to just create a lot of buildings that arrive to like half the map. The walls are okay, but you should not rely on them, and that is why I don't like them. One of the things that I like to do is to now I haven't done that much here. It's just a game for fun, relaxing, and making a few tutorials. But one of the things that I like to do is to just spam my base with towers and palaces and buildings that forts that shoot arrows and to power them up. This way you will have the opponent's units that will go and run around running against your units. I usually don't call them back, and you will have all the enemy units going around and attacking your units, and a lot of them will die, but you will have all the arrows that will defend you. And I usually play like this. If there are some good players, they will macro and destroy you, but in a lot of situations you might be able to just play and win a game without really having walls. So having walls is nice, but it's not a must-have in order to win. Like, there are lots of strategies, and don't feel like you are bad if you don't use the walls. So that is it. That is how you play a game without walls and still play in a defensive overall style. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.